Guten Tag, liebe Schüler und Schülerinnen. Heute sprechen wir über trennbare Verben. Today we are going to talk about separable prefix verbs. Let's take a look at the word trennbar so you know what that means. Trennen means to separate, and the suffix bar means able, so separable verbs, and we really call them separable prefix verbs. How do we erkennen, how do we recognize separable prefix verbs? Well, separable prefix verbs have two parts. One is the prefix, one is the verb. Generally, they are written like this on the left. In my vocab lists, I put a little line in between the prefix and the verb just to help you recognize them for the time being. As you encounter more of them, it'll be easier for you to see that they're separable. Okay, so let's take a look at these. Aufstehen, to get up. Prefix, verb. Fernsehen, to watch TV. Prefix, verb. Anfangen, to begin or to start. Prefix, verb. And then anrufen, to call. Zurückfahren, to drive back or go back. Prefix in German, the word for prefix is Vorsilbe. The prefixes here in these verbs, and it could be other prefixes, there are others, but for the time being we have four of them. One is auf, fern, an, and zurück. And what's special about the separable prefix verbs is that their prefixes actually mean something. So they're not just like a suffix that doesn't necessarily mean anything by itself. For example, zurück by itself means back, okay? And zurückfahren, to drive back. Okay? Doesn't always work as neatly as it does with zurückfahren. For example, look at Fernsehen. Fern means far, so we see far to watch TV. Okay, makes kind of sense. All right, let's see how we put those in sentences. All right, our first example, aufstehen. Let's say the sentence, I get up at 6:30. So, ich. Now we know that this is our verb, and we have learned previously that the verb has to be in second position. So this here needs to be in second position. So let's put it in second position and conjugate it. Ich stehe um 6:30 Uhr auf. And as you can see, our prefix has to go at the end of the sentence. So, rule, our verb goes second position, just as we have always done it. We have to make sure that it's conjugated, that it agrees with the subject of the sentence, and our prefix goes to the end of the sentence. Let's look at another example. Anrufen, to call. Ich rufe meinen Freund an. Last example. See if you can do it. Ich sehe gern fern. Okay, I hope you understood that. And that's all for today. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.